Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel.
That I wouldn't be without you, babe. Couldn't see me without you, babe.
Anyways, honestly excited to be back. Like, I'm here talking to my camera like I'm talking to people because I'm excited to be back. I took a week off of filming anything. If you guys notice, I appreciate you for noticing. But here we are. Today I'm gonna film how to do your eyebrows, how I do my eyebrows tutorial, because my eyebrows, they take me the longest when it comes to me doing my face. Like, my eyebrows are the longest process, so I feel like this can be like a nice little 5 to 10 minute video, because I'm not gonna speed it up at all. I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I do my brows, and you really don't need much. So you just need like a spoolie to like brush them out. This is like something I can't go without. And then your eyebrow pencil. I use eyebrow pencil. Some people use dip brow, some people use whatever, but I like to use eyebrow pencil. I feel like I have a lot more control. And then I have this little mirror, because my mirror obviously is right here, but I'm looking like this, so I'll probably be like this so that you guys can see and I can see at the same time. Okay, so my face is oily. I find that the product like kind of, it's a bit harder to go on, but we're just gonna start. Okay, we're just gonna go ahead and start. So first I'm gonna brush my eyebrows, and then what I would do as well is I would pluck anything under my eyes. So anything under that's like those loose straggler hairs, I would just pluck it out. But I literally did that last night. First thing I do is I sculpt out the brow. So sculpting it is like me basically tracing it. So I trace it to see what the shape is going to be. So see, brush up. Yeah, see how it's, and I want it to be like a nice line. That looks good. There's only one little straggling hair under. Okay, that looks good. That's how I test it out. And then I'll draw some stick ups. I will draw some stick ups. Okay. And then I'm gonna go ahead and trace out the top. Trace out the top. Ooh, that looks aggressive. Trace out the top, and then look, there we are. We're fully traced, and now I'm gonna go and fill it in. And I fill it in starting from the end, because I like an ombre brow effect. So I fill it in starting from the end, and then make it more sparse at the beginning. So both burn a filler in. Filler in. Brush, 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 brush. Any like sparse parts, you just fill that little shorty in. Okay, boom. So see how that's like full? Like, to me it kind of looks like a real thick furry brow. And that's the goal. At the end we want it to be full. Now we're going to do strokes brushing up. So this is how the brow looks. This is one compared to the other. This one looks super furry to me. I think it's because of the lighting. I don't know if it's because of the lighting or what. In this mirror, it looks good. Here though, whatever, we're gonna go ahead and do this side. So now for my second one, I'm just gonna go in, and how I start is I underline the bottom, because I want to start by filling it in, and I want to know what the shape of my brow is going to be. So I underline the bottom. Boom. And like, you see how it's such a strict line? That's why I go and I put the like bristles at the front, because I don't want it to be such a prominent. Look at me, I'm drawn on. So yeah, you see, I feel like that definitely makes it more fun, fresh, and cute. And I just draw some bristles up into that line, up coming from that line. So boom, we have the bottom shaped out, so we're gonna go ahead and sculpt out the top. That looks so thick to me. I'm like, why is this looking so thick? So if it's ever too thick, just you literally use your finger, and that's how you know my face is oily as fuck, because that just came off like nothing. I feel like this lighting's playing me. But okay, we're gonna go ahead and add this. So I filled it in, made it like dark, and now I'm gonna go to the front and just add like bristles. Why am I saying bristles? Like little lines, little spikes, like little individual strands of hair, fake individual strands of hair, and connect. You see, connect this, you see that? Like, we're gonna connect that with by putting like little fake little strands of hair. Yeah. Okay, you see how aggressive that looks? I'm gonna change the lighting. I'm gonna change the setup because I feel like this is terrible. Hi. This is the view I wanted to switch to, so I feel like the lighting is a lot better. I'm just gonna continue. So yeah, just brush up. You always want to brush. I always want to brush my hairs up so I could see how they would look, say they were laminated. I want to get my eyebrows laminated, low-key, guys. Tell me in the comments if you think that's a bad idea or a good idea. Like that hair, that's something I should pluck because it's not going with my brows. Okay, boom. So this is how my eyebrows look right now. And honestly, I could leave them like this. And I would leave them like this, because this looks kind of natural. If I put concealer, it's gonna look like, they're gonna look like perfect, right? But today I'm gonna conceal my brows in a kind of natural way, just to show you guys how I would do it. I like to use foundation that is your foundation color, because then it won't look so like perfect, you know? So I'll put a pop of foundation. My color is 420 Fenty Beauty. This is a brand that I use. This is the opposite side of my spoolie brush. That's also why I love it so much. But get a small brush that you can use for precision. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing to the next side. Boom. So now I also like to just do a little, because if you're gonna put a full face of makeup, it's gonna look strange when the middle of your eyebrows are the middle of your, like, this part is a whole different color from the rest of your face. So put some there, blend it all in so that she looks good. Look at that, guys. You want to make sure that these two lines meet up. So like how these eyebrows start, they are generally around the same. You know, eyebrows are sisters, not twins. They'll never be like exactly the same, but the most you could do is try to make it as close as possible, right? Right. So okay, so that's how I conceal under my brows. And I told you guys I don't do the top because I just feel like doing the top just makes it look really really fake. Obviously this looks perfect, but I wouldn't say they look fake. These look like they're growing right out of my face, period. So this is how I would leave it. It looks natural with the rest of my face, because I didn't like go complete shade lighter on the concealer or like do anything super weird like that. I just kept it really like natural looking and like colors that are my skin color when it came to the foundation. So that's it, guys. That's how I do my brows. Thank you guys so much for watching and supporting me. Don't forget to support this video by giving me a big fat like, thumbs up, leave a comment, let me know what you guys would like to see me do next, and don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notifications. All those things are free and it helps, so support your girl, help me out. But I will see you guys next week. Bye.